Hey beauties, welcome. What's popping? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So I'm back again with another vertical ombre. Yes, I have been obsessed with these. I have at least one more coming for y'all, so stay tuned. So these are the nails, a pink and white ombre with some bling around the tip and around the nail. I had great fun doing this, and if you want to see how I do them, please continue watching. So the first thing I'll be using is white and ice cream. Originally I wanted to go in with a more harsher white, but the blend was not great, so I decided to go in with the white from Perfect Tint. It worked fine. I thought about using two pigment colors, but it did not turn out how I wanted it. I was thinking ice cream cake and the white. You guys could see me going in on this finger here actually when I thought the blend was not great, so I went in with the ice cream, but the ice cream was a little bit too light for each side. It was too strong for the whites and it was too light for the pink, so I decided that okay, alright, I'll just stick with the ice cream and the white and just be done with it. So I do this on all nails. You already know how I do. I always go in with the strongest pigment and then blend this out as best as I possibly can, and then go with the more, less pigment. Okay guys, after I'm done with the ombreing aspect of this video, I'll then go in and encapsulate. Just note that I was working very thinly, so if you're doing any form of ombres horizontally, vertically, any way possible, ensure that you work very thinly so you can encapsulate comfortably. So I encapsulate each of these nails, file buff, and then I'll come back in showing you guys the matte top coat that I recently purchased, and I'm in love with it. that when I get new products I want to do a video right now. So this was the case. I got this matte top coat about 2 weeks now because I've been sitting on this video for a while. So I've got two new products. I've got a bling gel and I've got a matte top coat. I also got a blooming top coat. So yeah, so I'm going in with the matte top coat. I'll cure it for the 60 seconds. This part was so mind-blowing to me because I have never seen, you know, a matte top coat, gel top coat curing and being matte. It was something for me. So I go in, you know, the same process, wiping off the side of the nails so there's no extra bulk, and then I cure. So these are the nails. Guys, don't mind my cuticles, they will look better at the end. So now I'll be taking my bling gel bling gel and going around each of these nails, adding the jewel, and that's about it. Nothing, you know, out of the way about these nails and about what I'm doing. I hope you guys do enjoy. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, TikTok and Instagram at Bare Beauty Services. Subscribe to my channel to see regular videos like this. And also guys, I'll be coming out with a promo of nail mask. I hope you guys do enjoy because sweetie was a hot mess. But I definitely hope you guys enjoy it. By the end of this week, the video will be out, so stay tuned. I can't wait for Christmas to start this whole thing. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, and share it with a friend if you want to. And also follow me on my social medias. And I'll see you guys in the next video.